Alright, so few minutes left for the session to open in US 100, and let's see. Let's start the breakdown of how it is looking right now today. So first of all, we will start from the daily. In daily, you can see, it has been pretty obvious that price has shifted the structure here, and we are pretty much moving toward bullishness. Currently, we had retracement like couple of days before, and right now we are trying to push higher again, but this candle is still not completed yet, which is why I would like to look at the lower time frame. So let's take a look at the H4. In the H4, first of all, this one is inverted fairly gap, or you can say just a fairly gap from daily time frame. So let's mark this one as FVG, and let me put a bit more transparent. Alright, this one looks good. Okay, in H4 we can see very clearly that market has shifted structure in here after tapping into this H4, daily inverted fairly gap. We have this sweep of liquidity, and this was the high, get shifted by this one, and we also have reacted from there. Now it's pretty much just indicating for price to move bullish. There is nothing else for now. We are very clean. We are at the very clean area for now to move bullish toward where? Toward this order block. This one is the inverted or just a bearish order block. So structure is bullish. Now if I take a look at the H1, now H1 has been moving bullish. We had this order block from which we are currently reacting. So yeah, all I can say is that if I am going to be bullish, I would like to see a move from this key level. It would be nice. And then comes the M15. M15 is also pushing higher very strongly. Overall bias is bullish, and now I don't know whether I would get a manipulation or not, but just let's see how this one turn out. And yeah, I'll be making, I'll keep you updated. Now one thing can be happen, and that is, so this is the high we currently trying to break above, but price may close below, and if that happens, then it is pretty obvious for us to have a pullback and then a 5-minute engulfing, after which we are free to go bullishness. How is it 5-minute looking? Okay, this one is looking also pretty good. Well, for now that's it, and yeah, let's see how this one turn out. We have a bunch of order block or fairly gap on the way. So yeah, that's it. Alright, got the entry, and yeah, you can see price has pulled all the way back and then give us this engulfing candle. So we are in with 1% risk and targeting 1:2. Price may reach there, but doesn't matter, and not happy with the execution. It could be much more precise, but still it is what it is, and let's see how this will turn out. Alright, so it is next day, and first of all, there might be so many background noise. Just ignore it. All I can do is just do nothing and move on with my own voice. So first of all, this is the whole trade of yesterday, and yeah, that turned out to be pretty well. But if I told you the truth, that is, oh, so price were moving bullish from here. It, first of all, it already hit my, almost hit my SL, but it reversed when price was there. When price was created this engulfing candle, I added more position. I know I'm not supposed to do that, but still, out of greed, I have added more position and put my all the SL below this engulfing candle right here, below this wick. And yeah, you can see just a little bit after it hit my SL, price went bullish, reverse all the way back to break even, and then move bullish again. Now one thing I'm thinking about, instead of trying to hold all the way toward there, while there is a chance for price to move bearish and hit my SL, so why not just secure 1.5 hour perfectly in the first place with less time and less headache. But anyways, it is what it is, and the price action was clean yesterday. You can see in M15 everything was perfect. In H1 also everything was perfect as well, and price just moved straight bullish. And the main thing is my targeting was also pretty good. Now that's it in NQ or US 100, but the thing that hurt me most is in EU. Yesterday EU was pretty clean bearish, price has swept this high, shift structure, made bearish move. That means price is going to respect from this order block, so I made a trade in this order block. And yeah, first it was going well. We had this market structure shift, entry hit, move a little bit below, react from this fairly gap, hit my SL, and then reacted this whole order flow. And yeah, now we are moving bearish, but I'm already out. So yeah, that's the whole thing of yesterday. I got 2 losses. What can I say? Let's see today.